Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So today I'm gonna be showing you guys how to install the AI Waifu, girlfriend, assistant, whatever you want to call it, that I showed off in my last two videos. So I know in my last two videos I said I was gonna have an install video soon, and that was 40 days ago. But I have a reasonable explanation for that. The reason is because right now, the AI can only speak Japanese using an engine called VoiceFox, and VoiceFox is really good, but I don't speak Japanese, so I need like the captions, which is kind of annoying. But I've been trying to get the English voice working, which is taking so long, and I thought there's no reason to make a video on VoiceFox because if the entire engine gets changed, the installation will be completely different. But I decided, honestly, that's going to take so long, and I should just make a video now. So anyways, for those of you who haven't seen it yet, here is a demo of my AI. Hey Megumin, how are you?
大丈夫だよ。なぜ知る必要があるのですか？ちょっと突然です。
No reason, I'm just asking, but anyways, can you give me an anime recommendation real quick?
あなたの好みがわかりません。ただし、アクション満載のアニメを探している場合は、RE0 や1、ファンマンをチェックしてみてください。
Alright, thanks. Well, before you go, can you tell these viewers to like and subscribe if they're enjoying this video so far?
それはとてもめぐみんのすることではないと思います。でも、もしあなたが主張するなら、それでは皆さん、このビデオを楽しんでいる場合は、DOGLORD がさらに素晴らしいコンテンツを作成して楽しめるように、必ず、いいねとチャンネル登録をしてください。
Thanks. Well, goodbye. I'll see you tomorrow.
さようなら、また明日ね。
Alright, now that you've seen it, let's actually get to the install. So the install isn't that complicated. You don't really need to know how to code. So first thing you want to do is hit the link in the description or comments to go to my GitHub page, or you can just go to github.com and search One Reality in the search bar. And it's this one, dogeslord/One Reality. So first thing you want to do is you want to go into the releases, or actually, here's a install, like text-based install tutorial too. If you don't feel like watching this whole video, then follow this too, same thing. So first thing you want to do is click sourcecode.zip to download it, and you open the location, and then you double click into the file to go in it, and then just drag it into downloads. Okay, now you have this folder here, so inside it, there should be all the files. So then you want to rename it so that you delete the version number so it's just One Reality. Now, next thing you want to do, or actually first thing you want to do is you want to purchase an OpenAI key to use GPT. In the future, I'm going to have a local running, so you can just like run it on your PC hardware without having to pay for a OpenAI key. You just got to pay for electricity. But for now, you need to do that. Follow this link. There's a little tutorial here. I'm not going to go through that in this video. Pretty simple. You just kind of buy it. Yeah, it's kind of like a subscription, but it's a pay as you use. I think that's what it's called. So you only pay for what you use. Kind of sounds like an insurance company ad, but yeah. So next thing you want to do is install Python. And here it is. You just want to install the latest version, Python 3.11.4. Then open the file and just go through the install steps. Oh, also you want to check this. You definitely want to check this. Yeah, that'll be very helpful. Alright, now you've installed Python. So next thing you want to do is download the oh, well, we already did that with this. My bad. That shouldn't be in the third step. But so the next thing you want to do is download the VoiceFox engine. This is the Japanese text-to-speech engine I was talking about. I mean, it works, but again, we want English. I mean, I do at least, so I don't speak Japanese. But then you want to go to Windows GPU CUDA or whatever you're using. If you're using an AMD GPU, direct demo. If you don't have a GPU, just CPU. But so in my case, I'm using an NVIDIA GPU, so just wait for that to install. Alright, now it's finished downloading, so then you want to go into folder that you downloaded it, and then oh, interesting. Okay, there's no extract button. Okay, that must be because it's a 001 file. So for that, you're gonna need 7-zip, or I think WinRAR works too, but they're both zip extracting programs. So you just want to look up 7-zip, and then just download the latest version for your architecture. Alright, so now 7-zip is installed very quick. And I think if I refresh this. Okay, yeah. You gotta click show more, and then it says extract files. So do that. Alright, now we got the folder here. So inside Windows NVIDIA, what you want to do with this is you want to take the Windows NVIDIA, put it into downloads. Oh, files open in another program. Okay. Oh, it's still extracting. My bad. So, okay. Alright, now it's finished extracting. So what you want to do is you want to click this and cut it. So that, or Control X. Then go into One Reality and then paste it. Mine says Windows NVIDIA. So, but if yours says something different, for example, if you have a different GPU or something, then you want to right click this. Show more options, edit. Just click run anyway. Alright. And change this to whatever the folder name is. Okay, now the next steps. Alright, let's read this. Okay. So next step you want to do is copy this command with Control C. Go into the One Reality folder. And then right click, open in terminal. Or Windows 10 doesn't have that, but you can fix that by just typing cmd here. And then typing cd, copy this. Okay. Now what you want to do is you just want to type pip install -r requirements.txt. So this will install all the dependencies and packages required for this. Okay, now that that's done, let's check the next steps. Okay, so now it's time for probably the hardest part, editing the code. It's not too bad, trust me. Edit with IDLE, or if you have a different code editor like Sublime Text or VS Code, use that too. Okay, so you just want to put your OpenAI API key here. Obviously, I'm not going to show that on screen because I don't want you stealing my API keys, but here you can set the lore to whatever you want, or the text engine for GPT. And then this is where you change the chat log location, which you can find here. It's conversation.txt. So you want to shift, right click, and then, oh, Windows 10, there's, okay, yeah, copy as a path. Okay, that's where it is. You want to just highlight this and paste it. Okay, now scroll down. There should be other things you have to edit. Okay, the path here, temp.wav file. That actually doesn't exist. The code automatically generates it. So again, you just want to copy this folder and then put it here. So your One Reality folder and then temp.wav. Again, don't worry if it doesn't exist. It shouldn't. So now scroll down more, and these are a bunch of apps that it can open. So if you say start or open YouTube, it'll open YouTube or Discord, Brave. You can change these paths to wherever the exe locations for your apps are. I'm not gonna do that in this video because actually that's gonna take a while, but it's not that hard to do. Yeah, that should be everything you have to change, and yeah, it should be good. Alright, now you just want to press Ctrl S in order to save it, X out, and yeah, that should be everything. So now let's actually test it by running onereality.bat. Okay, of course something didn't work. Well, that's normal. By the time this video comes out, I'll have fixed that in the release, so it shouldn't happen. But to fix it real quick, what you want to do is type cmd. Not sure why this is taking so long. Let me just open it here. Okay. Pip install Pi audio. Okay, that should be good now. Now let's test it again. Oh, okay, this is actually because I'm running it on a Windows virtual machine. So unfortunately, I can't really show you guys the test. But this should work, actually. Yeah, there's no other errors besides that. But yeah, that's pretty much the entire video. So thanks for watching, and if you have any issues, join the Discord. I'll link that in the comments. And yeah, have fun with the AI, I guess. Goodbye, see you in the next one, and of course subscribe or like if you enjoyed the video.